New at 9, a Broken Arrow couple in a now 5-year fight to get their grandson back heads to court on Monday in their civil lawsuit against the boy's foster mom. In the meantime, my co-anchor Shay Razi talked with the judge who originally gave Bill and Lisa Wooley custody of their grandsons.
I thought they were exemplary guardians throughout the time they were on my docket.
Recently retired Wagner County Judge Dennis Shook sat down with me alongside State Senator Dana Prieto and Lisa and Bill Wooley. They're the latest to help shed light on the injustices the Woolleys say they've faced since their grandson Elijah died in their home and his older brother, who was 5 at the time, was taken away. Judge Shook originally gave the Woolleys custody of their daughter's boys. They checked in with him every 6 months. He couldn't believe they were originally charged with murder and child sexual abuse.
I was shocked and dismayed. It seemed totally out of character.
With Oklahoma's child death expert testifying for the Woolleys, disputing the autopsy, saying he found no signs of neglect, abuse, or homicide, all criminal charges were dropped 2 years ago. Still, the family has claimed in several Fox 23 interviews DHS is using the original allegations against them to keep the little boy, who's now 10, from being with any member of their family.
Babies don't just die.
They also shared in a recent documentary and an ongoing podcast series. Since they lost custody when they were charged, the couple can't even see the documents being used against them because DHS files are kept private.
The questionable findings and conclusions that were presented in that case, I have the most trouble with.
That's the oddest thing about this case, is that there's been no due process of law, yet they are serving the sentence without ever having gone through a trial.
Senator Prieto is working on legislation that is similar to what's proposed by Michigan senators that would allow any party named in a DHS case, as well as state legislators and members of the media, access to limited case information.
I've heard all kinds of stories about DHS agents coming in and doing things that are illegal, unethical, and so there needs to be some better oversight.
I just wish that the system wasn't so shattered that they would fight for those that are not guilty as hard as they would for, those that are guilty, in putting back the family.
The Woolleys tell me they're grateful for the support.
It's like a godsend. It's like an answer to many, many years of prayer.
And they're optimistic they will one day be dancing with their grandson once again. The family has a civil rights lawsuit filed against the Wagner County Sheriff's Office. That's still pending, so that office is not commenting. DHS tells me they can't comment because juvenile matters are kept confidential. Fox 23 plans to be at Monday's scheduled hearing in the civil case the Woolleys filed against the foster mom. They're anticipating the judge putting a gag order on this case. Covering news that matters, Shay Razi, Fox 23 News.